Welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. In this box right here is the most expensive piece of clothing that I have ever bought. And you probably find that hard to believe because I'm pretty much a sharp dresser, as you know. We're going to open it up and see what we think. Maybe. Wow, it comes in a nice box. Check this out. It's like its own little drawer. It's upside down. Reusable bag. I almost cut that open. A 100% authentic Whistling Diesel hoodie. Check that out. Alright, so here it is. It appears to be a quality hoodie. Whistling Diesel Monster Max 2.0. This is 1,126 of 2,500 made. We'll show you the rest of it here in a second. So Melissa just came out to check out the hoodie because, as you know, she is in the merchandise business as well. Show them what it looks like.
Well, one, I love black, so, and just the weight of it.
Heavy hoodie?
Yeah.
All right.
Great weight. It has a hoodie. That's always good.
So that's the front.
Yeah, I'm looking at the texture of his, it's nice. Down the sleeve. He used a hashtag. We've done some shirts in the past with a hashtag. This is Good Content Gang.
Good Content
Whistling
Gang.
Diesel. And over here he has
Monster Max, right?
Monster Max, hashtag Mini, and a couple more. That's very nice.
And what's on the back?
The back is sweet. This is sweet. This is really nice. Being in the merch business, wow. That would take me 2 months to do. So I'm guessing probably took him a month and a half.
Look at the box that it came in.
I'm guessing he has a designer. That's sweet. I like that. The box, nice. I mean, this is like real cardboard. No fiberboard.
Little drawer.
Look, with a handle. Tell me I'm not using this over again. Hiding all my jewelry in that. Here we got the nice wax or powdered coated Ziploc bag that you just don't get at the grocery store.
Resealable as well.
Resealable. Yep.
What's in there?
I'm definitely gonna. Oh, let's just hide the size. Okay. Get a sticker.
Very nice.
Wait,
so
that might be upside down.
So how do you compare their packaging and shipping towards yours, Melissa?
Almost a good comparison.
Almost the same?
Yeah, I would like to just show you some of my hoodies here at Outdoors with the Morgans. You know, go to our website, outdoorswiththemorgans.com, click shop, and you can see all of our shirts, hoodies, hats. I know. Got something here. Just one of our famous orange hoodies with Sasquatch, Believe in Yourself, Outdoors with the Morgans on the front. Nice hoodie. They seem to, the hoods compare, and then the strings compare, and there's a pocket. They're very much the same.
They're pretty much the same.
They are.
Except one was $250.
Yeah, and mine, on the back, you have the wood round, the finer things in life, Outdoors with the Morgans. That only took me a month to design, whereas something like this.
But I have to say,
I love the flag in the truck.
I have to agree, it is a very nice hoodie.
Yeah, I do love the texture, like the weight of it.
It's a quality hoodie.
Yeah. Our older son has autism, and when he was younger, he would be overstimulated. And we had some lap blankets and a blanket for his bed that was a weighted blanket. And when he would know enough to just go lay down and use that weighted blanket, that would help him calm down. I have a feeling that this is very much the same.
Yeah, that is
Seriously, it has a certain weight that I think will just help calm people down.
That's a late fall winter hoodie right there.
Yeah, and I noticed, like, look at this. Easy access to, like, lunch. You know, you're not sure you should order the meatloaf with the gravy. Boom. There's zippers. I mean, if you're wearing your yoga pants in this, you're set for that feast of a lunch or dinner.
You won't catch me in yoga pants.
Okay, elastic pants or whatever.
So yeah, so that's a nice hoodie.
Now this hoodie over here does not have that, but it's something I probably should think about.
Yeah, very nice though, isn't it? It's a nice hoodie.
They are.
Nice packaging. Best. They did a great job with it.
One, yeah, very nice.
So you may be asking yourself why I would spend $250 on a Whistling Diesel hoodie. Well, two reasons. One, it is a quality hoodie. I started this video saying this is the most expensive piece of clothing that I've ever bought. I know that's hard to believe, but it's true. But no, we really like Whistling Diesel. I think he's hilarious. I give him a lot of credit. He came from nothing and he's really built something. And what I find most fascinating about, I mean, we are polar opposites. We really are. Like, I did not carry the chicken coop out of the building a long ways because I didn't want to scratch the floor, and he will like drop a new anvil or an anvil on his new concrete floor. But we're different in that aspect, but in some ways we're the same. He doesn't let people get to him,
right.
And neither do I. When you have a YouTube channel, you have haters. It's just inevitable. And someone like him with as big a channel as he has and at his age,
right.
I give him a lot of credit the way he handles it. But actually the haters, I mean, they were kind of his motivators. They really were. And they were a big factor, I think, in his success because he just doesn't care. And he's very entertaining. He's passionate. He puts out great content. So I thought I would support that by buying a quality hoodie.
And he's good to his parents.
Yeah, he's good to his parents.
The videos I've watched with his parents, and he's good to his parents. His grandpa's truck. His grandpa is so sweet.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, one of my favorites.
So yeah, there you have it. Whistling Diesel hoodie.
Almost compares to Outdoors with the Morgans.
I'm happy with my purchase. The most expensive piece of clothing that I've ever bought.
I think we can agree. It's a very nice hoodie. Zippers. The wording down the sleeves. Great job, Whistling. It's a very nice hoodie. I also am pleased with these nice babies here. Go to outdoorswiththemorgans.com, click shop, and you can get some hoodies, shirts, hats, you know. Not trying to compete, but
it won't come in a box.
Almost the same.
They won't come in a box like that, but
they will be wrapped with love.
Was that Piper growling under the table? Well, I better get to work.
Okay.
right, so we're down here on my sister's driveway, and it's a very long driveway. It's probably from the road up to the house, probably 17 or 1800 feet, maybe even a little longer than that. And you've got the stream on one side, big hillside on the other, so it's pretty tight and narrow. And she just bought a 10 feet wide by 20 foot long, like an Amish shed, pre-built shed, and they're gonna need to get it up here. They need 14 feet high and I think 12 feet wide. So there's a lot of work to do here. I did get the first couple hundred feet done here. Right here, I still have a few limbs we'll get with the pole saw, but I got this widened out pretty nice. They'll be good to go up to about the back of the tractor. Then after that is when we're gonna get into a lot of work. I think I'll actually bring the excavator down tomorrow or the next day, and the pole saw, because down here where I was working, there was just a bunch of that invasive stuff along the sides. But as you get up the driveway further, there's some actually pretty decent trees on the sides, so I don't want to just rip the limbs off with the excavator. We'll kind of prune them all the way up, and then use the excavator to rip out all the invasive stuff. Then probably bring the skid loader down to kind of dress up the ditch line on this left side and just grade everything up. But I mean, it won't take that long, but it is a long way up there. This is needed done for a long time, and it's amazing once you start cutting that brush back how wide the driveway actually is. When things grow in like that, it looks like it's about 8 feet wide. But anyway, like I said, next up down here will probably be pole saw and excavator, and we'll go from there. And I can't wait till it gets cold so I can start wearing my new Whistling Diesel hoodie. But I will put a link in the description if you guys want to check out his channel. Be prepared. I'm telling you, it's a little bit different, but the kid's awesome and really entertaining content. Really is. But I think that's about it, and I will catch you on the next one.